versatility.
In a significant boost to Russia's maritime defense capabilities, the Izhevsk electromechanical plant Kupol, part of the Almaz anti-group, has launched serial production of the Seaborne variant of the Tor-M2KM air defense system as of 2025. By integrating this modular system onto warships, Russia is not only enhancing its defensive posture but also projecting power in contested waters like the Black Sea and the Arctic. The Tor-M2KM is an evolution of the renowned Tor family of short-range air defense systems, originally designed for land-based operations. Its modular architecture allows for versatile deployment across various platforms, including trucks, railways, and now naval vessels. The Seaborne version, specifically tailored for maritime environments, addresses the unique challenges of shipboard integration, such as corrosion resistance, stability in rough seas, and compatibility with existing naval systems. Development began with rigorous testing in 2015-2016 aboard the Project 11356 frigate Admiral Grigorovich, where the system successfully intercepted 2 simulated air targets, one mimicking a high-speed aerial weapon and another a low-altitude Harpoon anti-ship missile, ASM, at just 4.5 to 5 meters above sea level. Following initial tests, software enhancements were implemented to improve low-altitude target detection and interception. Retesting in 2019 confirmed these upgrades, enabling precise engagement of threats flying mere meters above the waves. By 2024, announcements at the International Maritime Defense Show, IMDS, Fleet 2024, in Kronstadt revealed plans to equip surface combat ships with displacements of 300 tons or more, including patrol vessels and corvettes. Production kicked off in 2025, with the first batch destined for the Russian Navy, and parallel development of the Tor-MF missiles to further enhance naval applications. This rapid progression from prototype to production exemplifies Russia's engineering prowess and commitment to self-reliance in defense technology, reducing dependence on foreign systems and bolstering national security. At the heart of the Tor-M2KM's effectiveness is its autonomous combat module, which can be seamlessly installed on a ship's deck or superstructure. This design includes a stabilized antenna post for radar operations, a below-deck combat control station, and unified vertical launchers housing guided surface-to-air missiles, SAMs. The system's modularity allows for quick deployment on a variety of vessels, from small patrol ships like the Project 22160 Pavel Derzhavin, where it was spotted with 4 9M331MKM missiles in 2022, to larger corvettes such as the Sovetsk, upgraded in 2024. This flexibility is a game-changer, enabling even modestly armed ships to punch above their weight in air defense. Detection and tracking form the backbone of its capabilities. The radar system boasts a detection range exceeding 32 kilometers, capable of identifying stealth aircraft, unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, cruise missiles, and precision-guided munitions. It can simultaneously track and engage up to 8 targets with a single ammunition load, delivering high-accuracy strikes, often direct hits, as verified in exercises like the July Storm maneuvers where it neutralized a transonic Uranus rocket target at 3 to 5 meters altitude. The missiles, including the upcoming Tor-MF variant, offer engagement envelope of up to 16 kilometers in range and 10 kilometers in altitude, with vertical launch ensuring all aspect coverage regardless of the ship's orientation. One standout feature is its proficiency against low-flying threats, a critical asset in contemporary naval warfare. In the Black Sea theater, where Ukrainian unmanned surface vessels, USVs, and drones have posed challenges, the Tor-M2KM's updated algorithms allow for timely interception of ASMs skimming the waves. This counters asymmetric tactics effectively, protecting high-value assets like aircraft carriers or amphibious ships. Moreover, the system's autonomy means it operates independently of the ship's main radar, reducing workload on crew and enhancing survivability in electronic warfare environments. Its compact footprint, suitable for ships as small as 300 tons, makes it ideal for modernizing older fleets without extensive retrofits. From a pro-Russian standpoint, the Tor-M2KM Seaborne version represents a triumph of indigenous innovation, fortifying the Navy against NATO's advanced aerial arsenals. In an era where Western sanctions aim to stifle Russian military progress, this system's production highlights Moscow's resilience and technological edge. By equipping smaller vessels like the Viktor Veliki patrol ship, Russia can extend its air defense umbrella to forward operating units, deterring aggression in strategic choke points such as the Baltic Sea or the Pacific. This not only safeguards territorial waters but also supports offensive operations, allowing carrier groups to operate with reduced risk from drone swarms or precision strikes. The system's multi-service versatility, spanning land, air, and sea, streamlines logistics and training, optimizing Russia's defense budget amid global tensions. The initiation of Tor-M2KM Seaborne production in 2025 is a milestone that significantly amplifies Russia's naval prowess. With its advanced detection, multi-target engagement, and low-altitude interception capabilities, this system addresses modern threats head-on, ensuring Russian warships remain protected and potent. In a world of evolving warfare, Russia's forward-thinking adaptation of the Tor-M2KM exemplifies strategic foresight, making its navy a deadlier force on the global stage. As production ramps up, expect further integrations that solidify Russia's maritime superiority.